DJT stock analysis, DJT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So Trump media sitting at approximately $15.46, what, 4.2% down. As I'm looking at it, I'm genuinely open to this bullish idea. And guess what? Like, we just recently, not recently, but on 30th of September, we went a tad bit higher, but with just a wick, which does not count. What counts is a full candle close above 20.10. And I'm still waiting for it, even though we're like at 15 bucks. It's just still valid. Still, if we break above $20, I'll be bullish. It's only really going to start to make difference if we break lower than the gray zone. So yeah, matter of fact, I'll still keep you updated, and this is still going to be here on the chart, sitting there waiting. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and this is also if you want to achieve long-term consistent income without fear. It's a free course.